So recently I saw a video that Zoding made, where he added hot reloading to his game, to his Musalizer project, and I thought maybe I would implement that into one of my projects whenever I feel like I need it, and so I need it now because it's really annoying. So basically, what hot reloading allows you to do is you can recompile code while it's running, and you can see the changes in real time. So, so normally, what I would have to do is, in order to, let's say I wanted to change the color of this, some rendering. Let me just look for yellow. Alright, let's say I wanted to change this to blue. I could of course always have some sort of editor, but I hard coded it in this case. So if I wanted to change it to blue, I would need to close the program, turn it back on, recompile, change this to blue, then recompile it. So, but instead, I can just recompile this rendering file into its own library that the main function runs, and then I press H because that's my keybind for a hot reload, and there we go. Yeah, blue. Let's turn it back into yellow. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this. It's actually pretty simple. It's got a little bit of boilerplate though, which is a little bit annoying. So what you need for, let me turn this off, and I'm going to do a little zooming in. Alright, what you need for hot reloading is you need your main.c file and then library files. So in Linux you're going to be SO for shared, I think shared object files are called. The point is they're dynamic libraries. So DL, I remember, yeah. Alright, so let's make our main.c file. And main, that's our return success. D0. Okay. So, and for our library file, we're just gonna want a normal file. It's just a void hello, and we're just gonna print hello from library, and we need to include stdio, standard input. Alright, that's all we're going to need for our library. Now this is going to be a little bit harder. Let's do, we're going to have to do a type def. You don't need to do this, but it's just better for clarity. Void, it goes here. So we're just defining a type. This is just a function pointer to a function of type void. Do I need to do this? I don't. Maybe I do. I'll just do it just in case. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to check back on my code. All the way up here. Okay, so we're gonna need a type pointer called for library handle, and we're gonna set that equal to we're gonna need to do DL open, and then our file name. We're gonna call it library.sl. That's what we're gonna compile it to. And RTLD lazy. Alright, then we're gonna need our function. So func pointer, let's call it libfunc equals dl sim. I think do lib handle. And we look for the symbol for the name of the function and called it in the library. I think it was in this case, yeah, we did it hello. Alright. Now let's do a while loop, just to show that it works. Oh. DL. Gonna need to close it at the end. Alright, so while loop will just be calling. Actually, we should just instead. Then we need to let's just get rid of this. And we're going to need to handle errors. You don't need to do this, but it's good practice to always handle errors. So let's see if it equals null. We're just gonna exit with 1. Then let's say printf handle error. Oh. Let's exit is from stdlib. Alright. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Let's do the same thing, but this time for libfunc. Not find function. Alright. And then just run libfunc as we would a normal function. And just so we don't get it really fast, we're gonna do sleep for, and 1 second. Where's this from? Alright, that's all the code. Now, the only thing left to do is compile it. Alright, so let me zoom out a bit. you can see the whole thing better. So I think this is the whole thing we need to do. Not 100% sure yet. Guess we're gonna have to try. Now, usually, I should probably learn CMake. I don't feel like it. Build SH files work for me. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a build.sh. Alright. cc main.c dash main. I think that's how I have it in the other one. Well, let me check. Yeah, just do main.c. Oh wait, no, shared goes for the library. Okay. No, yeah, I think I only need to do dash LDL. Let us dot c dash share dash f pic. What else did I have? No, that was it. Alright. Uh-oh. I accidentally closed it. Hopefully I didn't lose all my... Okay, it's up and ready. Okay, so one thing you might have noticed when I did the other thing is that I did this sed -n2p build sh and then pipe that into sh. Basically what that means, what that does is I'm only running the second line of the build script. So if I just did the whole build sh, I would have compiled the whole thing, and I don't want to do that. So maybe that's what CMake is best for. Either way, I think I got it alright. Let's do main. Okay, and now let's do. We're gonna do the whole thing since it does. Oh wait, first we need to do a change in library. Hello from library. Let's do change. And as you can see, it shows up. Pretty handy. This is pretty useful. I think it might prevent me from doing bugs, from making more bugs, because typically what would happen is I would write about 300 lines of code without testing them first, because I felt too lazy to turn off the computer, not turn off the computer, turn off the program, then rerun it again, and then do everything. So yeah, let's just do a quick review. We can shut this off now. Okay. So we're gonna have two things that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna this is pretty simple. It can lead to a lot of boilerplate. Like in this other case, like in my game. It's not really a game. This is what I have to do to reload the library, and these lines right here. This is what I have to do to initialize it. So let's go back here. So you're gonna want to. So first and foremost, you're gonna want to include DLFCN. All right. Then you're gonna want to have a pointer called the library handler. I think this just points to the object file or to the library. I'm pretty sure. And we're also gonna want a function pointer for the function we want to run. So in this case, these are the only two things we really want to do. We should have actually just called this hello. Now, the function pointer has to be of the same type as the one you're looking for in the library. So in this case, it was just a void. Alright, so after that, we open the library in through libhandle. We do using dlopen, then the path to the file. So in this case, it was in the same directory, so you just do // and I'm not really sure what this is for. Let me check. No man entry. Let's get a definition. Lazy function call binding, immediate function call binding. I'm not exactly sure what these do, but yeah, just use lazy. I guess that's the one I saw being used. And then handle the errors, so in case they're null. All right, and then to get the function, what you do is you look for you do dlsim, the libhandle, and then hello. Actually, I wanna then what? Yeah. So dlsim, the library handler, and then the function name. So and then handle the error as well. Then you could just call the function anywhere as you please. When you want to reload it, you're gonna wanna close the library handle, then open it again, and do the whole thing again. So it's pretty simple. I don't know why I didn't really hear of this before. It's really useful. It's a really useful thing. Maybe it makes your code slower. I think everything might just be faster if you statically link it for compiler optimizations and such. Yeah. How long has this video been running for? It's 18 minutes. Wow. Alright. You should have gotten the idea by now. I'm just gonna ramble a bit. So yeah. Dynamic programming languages aren't all that. Like, you can do this in Windows, Mac, Linux. This is just like in Soding's video, he said, this is just a basic functionality that every modern operating system needs to have, the ability to statically link, not dynamically link libraries, and I think that's it. Thanks for watching.